In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add records in Airtable, from typing in single entries to pasting in bulk data from a spreadsheet. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Start by opening your browser and heading over to Airtable. If you aren't already signed in, click the Sign In button in the top right corner and enter your credentials. Once you're in, open the base where you want to work. A base is essentially your project or database, and inside it, you'll find your tables. Select the specific table you want to edit by clicking its tab at the top of the screen. Now, look at the very bottom of your table. You'll see a row labeled Add Record, or sometimes just a plus icon. Click that, and a new blank row will appear. Click directly into the first cell of that new row and type in your information. When you're done, press Enter on your keyboard. That confirms the entry, and the data will immediately appear in your table. You can repeat this process as many times as you need to keep adding records one by one. If you have a lot of data to bring in, there's a much faster way. You can paste multiple rows from a spreadsheet like Google Sheets or Excel. Just copy the rows from your spreadsheet. Then click into the first cell of an empty row in your Airtable table and paste. Airtable will automatically create new records for each row you pasted, saving you a ton of time. This is especially handy when you're migrating data or setting up a new base. Once you've added all your records, take a moment to review your entries. Click into any cell to make changes if you spot a mistake or need to update information. One of the best things about Airtable is that your records save automatically as you work, so you never have to worry about losing your progress. That's it. You now know how to quickly add records in Airtable, whether you're typing them in one at a time or pasting in bulk. Thanks for watching this Airtable tutorial on how to add records in Airtable. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple how-to guides. See you in the next video.